Okay, look at self-practice, page 31. Look at A. 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. You have to rewrite 3 over 4. Change the operation from division to multiplication. After you change into multiplication, you have to inverse 1 over 2 to 2 over 1. Next, you will have to look at, can it be simplified? 3 and 4 cannot be simplified. 3 and 1 cannot be simplified. 2 and 4, can it be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified by multiplication table of 2. 2 times 1 equals to 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4. So your answer, this is the simplest form. 3 times 1, 3. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, remember that this is an improper fraction. You cannot leave your answer as improper fraction. You have to divide it. 3 over 2 is also 3 divided by 2. So 2 times 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Your final answer would be 1 over 2. Look at B. Okay, same thing happened to B. 5 over 6. Change the operation. Divide to multiply, and inverse 2 over 3 to 3 over 2. Okay, next thing you have to see is, can it be simplified? Yes, there is a number that you can simplify. 3 and 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 5. So this is the simplest form. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. As I said, this is an improper fraction. You cannot leave your answer like this. You have to change it to mixed number. How do you change it to mixed number? 5 over 4 is also 5 divided by 4. So 4 times 1, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Your final answer would be 1 over 4. Next, look at C. 4 over 9 divided by 3 over 7. Change the division to multiplication and inverse 3 over 7 to 7 over 3. Next, look at this. Can it be simplified? 4 and 9 cannot. 4 and 3 cannot. 7 and 9 cannot. 7 and 3 cannot. So what you can do right now is multiply directly. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 4 times 7 is 28. 9 times 3 is 27. So this is also an improper fraction. 28 will have to be divided by 27. So 27 times 1, 27. 8 minus 7, 1. So your final answer would be 1 over 27. Next question, D. 5 over 8 divided by 65. 65 is a whole number. Change it to fraction to over 1. So next, 5 over 8. You have to change the division to multiplication. After you change it, you have to inverse this into 1 over 65. Can this be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified by multiplication table of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 13 is 65. So in the end, can it be further simplified? No. So numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 13 is 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 1, 8 plus 2, 10. So your final answer is 1 over 104. E. Look at E. 7 over 10 divided by 63, which is also a whole number. If it is a whole number, change it to fraction by 1. 63 over 1. So rewrite it. 7 over 10. Division, you have to change it to multiplication. After that, inverse to 1 over 63. Can this be simplified? Yes, by multiplication table of 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Your multiplication table, you have to memorize it. This is how you use it. 1 times 1, 1. 10 times 9, 90. So this is your final answer. Next. 1 over 3 divided by 24. Okay, remember this is a whole number. Make it into a fraction. So, and then this one is an mixed number. It is a mixed number, so you have to change it. 3 times 1 plus 1. So 4 over 3 times 1 over 24. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. G. This is a mixed number. Change it to improper fraction. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23 over 8. Change the operation to multiplication and inverse 4 over into 4 over 1. Can it be simplified? Yes. 4 and 8 can be simplified by multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So your answer would be 23 over 2. This is an improper fraction. You have to change it to mixed number. So 23 over 2 is also 23 divided by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 3 minus 1 is 1. So your answer will be 11. 1 over 2. If I am speaking too fast, you can pause the video. Don't worry. So this one, H. Let's look at H. This is an improper fraction. Hey, this is a mixed number. I'm sorry. So 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24 over 7 times. Change the operation times and inverse it. 10 over 9. Can it be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified by multiplication table of 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 10, 80. 7 times 3, 21. You cannot leave your answer in improper fraction, so you have to change it to mixed number. 80 over 21 is also 80 divided by 21. So 80 divided by 21, 21. Okay, if your multiplication table is not good, please do your multiplication table at the side. Okay, 21. 21 times 2, 42. 21 times 3, 3, 1, 3, 63. And 4. 4 is 84. So choose the smaller number, which is 63. So 21 times 3 is 63. Minus, please minus properly. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Your final answer would be 3, 17 over 21. Okay, look at GI. I. Okay, this is I. Okay, first thing, this is an mixed number. Change it to improper fraction. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 over 5 times 9 over 8. Can it be simplified? Yes, by multiplication table of 8. 8, 1, 8, 8, 3, 24. So, can it be further simplified? No, it cannot be further simplified. So, multiply directly. 3 times 9, 27. 5 times 1, 5. This is an improper fraction. Don't leave it like this. Divide it. Okay, 27 divided by 5. So 5, 5, 25. 7 minus 5, 2. So your final answer will be 5, 2 over 5. If I am speaking too fast, please pause the video. So next question. Okay, A. We are going to look for A. How many 1 over 3 are there in 2 over 9? This one, it means division. Every time when you see this type of question, please do division. How to do division? 2 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. It is always like this. Do not change the position. It cannot be the other way round. Okay, so next, 2 over 9 times 3 over 1. Inverse it. Next, can it be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 3, 9. So this is the final simplest form. So 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3. Your final answer would be 2 over 3. Let's continue with B. Okay, look at B. Same thing. When you see this kind of question, how many 2 over 5 are there in 2, 3 over 10? Please do division. And how is the placement of this number? Remember, 2, 3 over 10 divided by 2 over 5. Do not switch the position of these numbers. It must be like this. So this is a mixed number. Change it to improper fraction. So 10 times 2, 20, 23 over 10 times 5 over 2. Can it be simplified? Can it be simplified? Can. 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 10. So this one is the simplest form. So multiply directly. 23 over 4. Do not leave your answer in improper fraction. Change it to mixed number 4, 5, 20. So your answer would be 5, 3 over 4. If I am speaking too fast, please, you can always pause the video. Okay, next. C. How many 1 over 2 are there in 6 over 7? Same thing. Every time when you see this kind of question, okay, 6 over 7 will be divided by 1 over 2. The placement is always like this. For division, please, this is a fixed position. Do not switch their places. 6 over 7 times 2 over 1. Can it be simplified? No, it cannot be simplified. So multiply directly. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 1 is 7. Do not leave your answer like this. Please do division. So 7 times 1 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Your final answer is 1, 5 over 7. D. How many 1 over 4 are there in 8 over 9. Remember, 8 over 9 will be divided by 1 over 4. And then this is a fixed position. Remember that this is a fixed position. So 8 over 9 times, after you change the operation, inverse 1 over 4 to 4 over 1. Can it be simplified? No, it cannot be simplified. So multiply directly. 8 times 4 is 32 over 9. Do not leave your answer in improper fraction. Please change it by doing division. 9 times 1, 9, 18, 36. So 3. So your answer will be 3, 5 over 9. Okay, question A. 1 over 5 divided by an unknown equals to 4 over 5. This type of question, just switch their places. Unknown and 4 over 15, just switch their places. Rewrite it. 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 15 equals to the unknown. So next step is 1 over 5, multiply, inverse it, 15 over 4. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15. Your final answer will be 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 4, 4. This is your final answer, 3 over 4. Look at B. Same thing. Okay, switch their places. Okay, and look at this. This is an mixed number. Change it to improper fraction. 7 times 2, 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 over 7 divided by 4 over 7 equals to the unknown. Okay, next step is 16 over 7 multiply, inverse this fraction to 7 over 4. Can it be simplified? Yes. 7 and 7. 4 and 16. 4 times 4 equals to 16. 4 times 1, 4. 1 times 1 is 1. So your final answer would be 4. Finish. And C would be same thing, but you have to be very careful. Bring the division as well. Division, if you bring to the other side, it will become multiplication. So equals to 5, 1 over 3 times 3 over 5. Remember to change this to improper fraction. So 16 over 3 times 3 over 5. Can it be simplified? Yes. 3 and 3 can be simplified. So 16 times 1, 16. 1 times 5, 1. This is an improper fraction. Change it to mixed number. So 5, 3, 15, 1. So 3, 1 over 5.